want to.
Kitty, come on. Let's go. Are you thirsty?
I'm pretty sure she just distracted her so she could steal the bed.
Oh, are you okay, Loop?
Look, I'm just trying to drop your packages off on the front porch. Cuz, let me make it. I'm just trying to drop. It may be something for you. It may be something for you, man.
Oh, babe, I think she might get stuck in the tunnel. Jade, move.
Dale una púa to Dakota and one for Ruby. Oh my God, Dara, you saw that?
Oh, are you serious? It's right here. Look. Touching you. No, over here.
George.
Зарина, если не разрешай ей. Прогоняй ее. Прогоняй. Прогоняй Зарину.
Come on, mate. We just want to pour. Come on.
Get over it. Come on.
What's the matter? Mooch is laying in your bed? Mooch, you don't even fit in that kennel. What do you want me to do?
Honey, there's a bird in our house, and I don't know what to do. Help!
Paco.
You have to be quiet.
Where's Paco?
He's got like his head in my back.
Paco. Hey there.
Okay, go ahead and jump and oh, dang it. Dang it. Okay, let's try again. Back it up and jump and dang it. Okay.
Walk each other because I learned a lot about myself also. just gonna like turn around now.
Go to sleep. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
It's my damn dog. That's my dog. Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back. Don't do that. I'll be right back.
That's vocal stitch. Ah. E. I. O.
Oh my god. What is it? It's a pigeon on your head.
I'm gonna follow AJ.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Well, that's just teasing Kitty.
Вы видели такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас?
Like tarantula. It was so scary. Ow!
One pooped on you! You got... It pooped right between your eyes.
Oh wait, aren't my photos in that?
Oh my god. Oh, Luna! Ah! Good morning, Chico. Hi, Rudy. Oh, good morning. Oh, hi. Oh, you're a beautiful baby. But, oh, Chico. Chico. Good morning, Chico.
Are you doing it again? Do you need me to open the gate? Okay, hold on.
He's taking the boy bottom now.
Don't consider tonight, sir. Hey. Hey. Don't even think about it, Mr. Sir. Texas. Texas? Really? You took it all?
Listen, come on, bring it here. You gotta throw it away. Come on, good boy. Come on. Come on, good boy. Bring it here. Put it in the trash. Come on. No, get it. Get it. Good boy. Put it in here. Come on. Tonka, bring it here. No, Tonka. Tonka, come here.
He just, every time we just cuddle at all. Look at, he just doesn't. Like, God forbid a husband lay with his wife. Like, okay, yeah.
Close up. Okay. Oh, come on. Jesus, no, God. Use your door. Okay. Someone needs immediate surgery. No, not again. You did it twice. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go out your door. Here. This door. You've been using it all day. Okay.
Here, let's.
I'll bake them for you.
Stop.
Wait. Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here?
Hey,
She drooled.
hey.
Wait. Are you supposed to be up here? Oh my.
Я вернусь и вам дам. Ждать.
He come in.
What are you doing? Oh my God, you're lucky you're too cute. Stop it.